Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Spotify download error on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down, then you click here on apps and you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Spotify app here in this is window. You just go to find Spotify app in this is window, you click here on Spotify, then you come here to app info window and you just click here on for stop and you click here on OK and you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to a storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just go to Play Store. We will go to Play Store and you click on Play Store and you search for Spotify app and you update your Spotify app. Make sure you update and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.